What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I am going to be cleaning these bread toe ones that are super trashed. As you can see, this is kind of disgusting. I'm just going to go remove this right now. Get that out the way. All right. So I am going to be cleaning these up using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit and our shoe tree and a towel to go ahead and dap it dry when I am done. So guys, go ahead and check those out real quick. Let me do a 360. Let me see which one I'm gonna clean. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the left shoe. So I'm gonna put this right one to the side. All right guys, let's get started. All right guys, so the first step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These, what size are these? These are size 9.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that up to the 4th hole up. As you can see there. We'll go ahead and insert that into the shoe. What that's gonna go ahead and allow us to do is apply more pressure, and it's also gonna reshape that toe box. Go ahead and check that out. Now that that's in there, the next step, guys, is to remove the laces. All right guys, so the next step is, first off, I'm gonna move this bowl over here to make it easier for me to grab, along with the solution and the brushes. The next step is to grab our solution bottle and pour a few small squirts into our bowl of water, just like so. And the first brush I'm gonna use is our soft bristle brush. So let's get started on it. All right guys, real quick, I want to give you guys a quick tip. As you can see, some of that color is starting to bleed. The bubbles are starting to turn a little pink, but no worries, you can go ahead and continue. Just make sure you don't oversaturate the material, and then go ahead and take your microfiber towel. Every time you clean off, just go ahead and dry it off and you'll be all right. Boom, let's keep it going. Real quick guys, I do want to address these little darker spots on the toe box. As you can see, anytime you clean any leather like this that's like really soft, you want to make sure you don't oversaturate the material and you clean the entire shoe evenly. If you don't clean the entire shoe evenly, what you're going to end up happening is these little spots aren't going to dry properly and they're going to stay there. So you want to make sure you clean the entire shoe, like I mentioned, evenly, so that way it dries evenly and these won't be there when it's dry. So remember, clean it evenly. But the uppers are looking pretty good. Soft brush did its thing. What I'm gonna go ahead and do now is move on to the midsoles using our stiff bristle brush. I don't think I'm gonna use the all-purpose just because that midsole is pretty dirty. So I am gonna clean the midsole with the stiff brush and then move on to the outsoles using that same stiff bristle brush. So let's do it now. Real quick guys, whenever you do use a stiff bristle brush, there's no need to apply super hard pressure. Let the brush do its thing. It's a really stiff bristle brush and it cleans up really good. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is clean off this section real quick first, dry it off, and show you guys how big of a difference it looks. Boom. All right guys, so I am done hitting up the midsole with the stiff bristle brush and it cleaned them up really good. Although there are some few deeper scuffs back here on the heel part and on the toe cap as well. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is use our brass that we normally use for resetting the nap on suede. But I'm gonna go ahead and use that because it's a stiffer brush. It's our stiffest one we have, and gently apply pressure to remove some of those deeper stains. Quick tip, guys, if you do decide to use a brass brush to get some of these midsoles, the deeper stains on the midsoles, you want to be careful not to accidentally go too high up and hit the uppers, because then you'll end up damaging the material. So be very, very careful if you decide to go this route. All right, guys, there it is. Check out those midsoles looking super, super crispy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the outsole using that stiff bristle brush that I was using for the first hit on the midsoles. All right, guys, I am done with the outsoles. Go ahead and check them out. They came out looking really, really good. Let me go ahead and give you guys another 360 of the shoe. Now, one thing I want to point out, as I said in the beginning, you want to make sure you clean the entire shoe evenly and not to oversaturate it. As you can see, those dark spots are no longer there. So, and that was with the limited time drying that it was in here. I didn't even have to take it outside to dry. So, there it is. So next step, guys, is to grab our laces, dip them in our bowl of solution and water mix to clean them up. This time, are we gonna get it this time? I don't know, dude. Boom, Lee, what you done? I told you I was gonna get it, dude. I told you I was gonna get it. All right, guys, so the next step is to just go ahead and let these dry. I'm gonna let the laces dry a little longer as well, and then we'll come back and see how the shoe looks. So let's go. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry. And as you can see, they came out super, super clean. Let me go ahead and hold both of them up for a side by side. And that was all done, guys, using our 4-ounce 3-brush kit and our little bowl that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you leave me a comment below. What did you guys think of this cleaning? Do you guys have this pair? Or what is your favorite Jordan 1? I would like to know. Leave me a comment below and I'll go ahead and respond to every single one of you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. If you're not already subscribed to be a part of the Reshoevn Nation, don't forget we are doing free Yeezys every single month this year. So we only have a few months left. So make sure you subscribe, guys, because if we hit 1 milli by the end of the year, we are giving away a free pair of Red Octobers. And who doesn't want a pair of Red Octobers, guys? So that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.